the vision was clearly to be able to establish a university, not just for the next 10 years or 25 years, but really for the generations to come, and keeping in mind both the aspirations of the students and the need of the economy and the country. We need to remember that the world is not divided into disciplines. The world is one whole, and when we look at knowledge, especially today, the boundaries have been crossed not only into interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary, but what I would like to term as transdisciplinary. It is with this thought that the idea was born to put into place the first liberal arts and meta university in India, the first of its kind, which would bring in the kind of environment, the kind of research focus, as well as a transdisciplinary approach and a holistic environment founded on human values, which would ensure that the leaders for tomorrow are nurtured and taken forward. When I visit these corridors, the first thing that comes to mind is our founder chairman, Dr. Satya Paul, his vision, his dynamism, the spirit and the futuristic thinking that he had, which even at the time of passing away, he was thinking of this university, which today is at the forefront of the kind of teaching, learning and research environment that we are trying to create in India. Most of all, I thought I would miss him, but when I'm walking through these corridors, I somehow feel his living spirit in each of those corridors, classrooms, and particularly the faculty and students, kind of a living embodiment of all that he stood for. Well, the way ahead for the university is best encapsulated in its motto, soaring high. तू शाही है, परवाज़ है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं।